Hello, this is Jared, owner of ShadingTexas.com. What we did is we installed a retractable awning in this home here in North Austin. You can see what happens here is I get a lot of sun over this pool. And so really with the push of a button we were able to achieve an awning that comes out. I'll show you here. You can see the shade growing over there on the concrete, growing closer towards the barbecue grill over there. So this is a 10'2" projection, about 19 feet wide. I'm going to give you a little bit better angle of it here. This is our #1 color. They call it Silica Sesame. And on this awning, it's the 8700 awning, which is a drop pitch awning, so the homeowner is able to actually drop the pitch of the awning as the sun angles change. The other nice thing about this awning, it has a lifetime warranty on the frame and the arms, and a 10-year warranty on the sunbrella fabric. So this is the type of awning that you purchase and really don't have to worry anymore about ever purchasing another awning in the future. So once again, this is Jared, owner of Texas Sun Solutions. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you.